used for me, and I'm really happy that I was not expecting in my earlier career and earlier stage of the life that Allah will bless me the kind of chances that I will go anywhere and get the kind of rewards and the kind of appreciation from everywhere. But it totally depends on the struggle a person she is doing with his career or her career, and then try to make a balanced career. Doesn't mean that you are going for earning the money you can easily, but doesn't mean you can gain the respect you can easily. Not at all. For gaining the respect and for gaining the honor and getting the rewards, you need maybe consistency, and then you need a struggle as well. As without struggle, I think you cannot expect that you can go for the fruitful life as well. As per Mr. Shokat knowledge concern, as well as if you are going for the achieving milestones, definitely one you should have the big aims, big targets, and things which is in your mind, like the failures. I am one who will be failed hundred and thousand of time, and then I will reach that condition, as per my knowledge experience concerns. And thank you again. I'm thankful to you, and as well as your husband too, and also give me the good chance for enhancing and improving myself in front of you all. Now the next topic is to reviewing and giving the marks of your school, as well as by the grace of God, because I have a knowledge even in UAE, not just only UAE, inside Pakistan as well. As I have just experience up to 4 to 5 years of teaching, plenty of schools and colleges I handled, and plenty of school and colleges I served myself there in the shape of United College in my city Thorkel, as well as Islamia Public Secondary School, higher and secondary school and college near Danna, my own village and my own town. And then I have even skills and even having a knowledge about how to teach in Pakistan area, especially in Asha education, which is near to my home, as well as, and also having a, yet I am also a teacher and serving myself and so promoting my duties there in SGE, Sincere Group of Education, and then also giving a time to many plenty of academies. So this is in a knowledge that I have in a little bit. I cannot consider that I have a broad knowledge as well. Not at all. And as for going for the review consent, they are huge and amazing the search area and crowd and whatever the kind of things that I got here. One of them is that this is not in a main area where you are targeting or hitting by publicity or by publishing your ads and your pamphlet and whatever. This is an outside area. The students, those students especially, they are thinking themselves that we cannot afford to go for the Fatma public. We are not in able the position. We can go for the Islamabad region and join the sectors like G8, I8, whatever the schools our parents are not affording, and then they are coming. And it's your sacrification for them in the lower conditions. As I mentioned before, that if I am going for the you are becoming a teacher or lecturer or higher whatever the things, I will charge like 4 to 5,000 minimum, 4,000 for the one course for 1 month. You told me, Shokat, teacher staff can afford because they are intangible, but students difficult for them. At least 3,500 enough for students as well as. But all credit goes to you, madam. All credit goes to you and your partner, that you have in a strong thoughts for the generation. Your aims are not like to earn from education, to go for the business. With this, we should give generation, a new generation, we should give them a potential. We will give them a guideline. We will give them a direction as well. As simple is that we will give them a direction, up to them, and either they are choosing right direction or wrong direction, but we are questionable in front of Allah. Allah will ask the question why you went into the world and what you did in their whole life, what you did in your life as well. As अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में what you did, then we will helpless. But if we have a sacrification like that, we open as bit college, bit schools, whatever, bit organizations, and then we brought, and then we come with the better solutions, promote our knowledge towards the region, towards the town, towards the people those they were not capable to get education, and giving them a chance to grow and enhance. It's a very good sign for all of us. Thanks again. Thanks really. I'm not in face to face and I'm saying and appreciating, but all credit goes to you for organizing such amazing event. And then hopefully my words may be harsh or word, but the lack of confidence, few of their students, definitely if I was a student, then lack of confidence as well as, but the teacher, they are picking good, their picking abilities are good. You girls and your staff members are doing excellent one, and I'm really happy. I'm giving full marks to your name, Umaira. I'm giving a full marks, and full marks in the shape of 100, 80 or 85 marks of the 100. Bit of lackness due to the hesitation. Inshallah course के दौरान वो भी आप cover कर जाएंगी, and much more confidence you showed in your interview as well as the few time which I spent with you also. You have a potential to do a lot, and as far as potential concerned, a madam is filled with the potential as well as per my knowledge concerned. And also this person who is giving a time and sacrificing his valuable time of the career to madam, and she is boosting this sector. Otherwise, if he is not interested, he is not in a way, he is not giving a time to her for polishing, for grooming the aim, she cannot do anything without the permission of this person. But if this person is promoting, giving a guideline to him, her, then she is doing a lot. Suppose I am a husband, my wife is want to do something, but I am an illiterate, I don't want to do, and I don't want to grow the village, don't want to grow the town as well as. I cannot, my wife cannot do anything without my permission. Ask all credit goes to Yusuf sir. Then the next thing is students. I am really happy with your performances as well as students are also encouraged. Their eyes are totally set for learning, and then the last option remain. Thanks for your